Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you how to install backup camera for MIB2. This is an Audi S3 that we're trying to show you how to install the backup camera. That's our replacing trunk handle backup camera. And we open the cover at the back, we run the camera. So these are basic knowledge, so we consider that the installer knows about those things. No need to get power from the reverse light, just run the power cable, and the ground just leave it alone. No need to connect anything to the ground. Here you have to open the glove box. After you open the glove box, you have to remove the main unit. That's the Audi multimedia that you have to remove it. And then there is a T-harness. You unplug the factory square connection at the back of the radio. And our T-harness, as you can see, this is the one that the main color is gray. You take it out, you connect it to the T-harness. When I'm facing the harness, basically the gray one was located right here. So gently we push it back and we put our T-harness in, and this is the other side. So that's the T-harness we use, and that's the interface. And the LVDS cable, this is the original LVDS cable, which is pink color, goes to LVDS out, and this is the aftermarket that it goes from our interface right to the back of the head unit. So you can see that's green goes to pink, and here pink goes to green. The dip switch position is 1 is up, 2 is down, 3 is up, 4 is down, 5, 6 up, 7, 8 down. So that's the dip switch position for Audi A3. Anyways, the instruction is at the back of the interface. And here the RCA is right here. That's from the backup camera, came to the unit, and we get the power goes to white color that it says rear view camera power supply, and it's white color. So you run the power for the backup camera to this white wire. So I'm going to show you how the backup camera works. We are connecting back the square connection to the back of the radio. It's connected back. Make sure it's firmly tight. So the screen pops out. You have to make sure trunk is closed. If trunk is open, you're not gonna see the parking guidelines. So make sure trunk is closed, and by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera, and it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. Just a friendly reminder, if you go back to park, it goes to factory MMI right away. But if you go to reverse and then if you go to drive, it stays on backup camera. You have to reach to 10 miles per hour, the speed of the car. Then the backup camera gonna switch to the factory MMI. Just to remind you that. Thank you, and thanks for your attention. You can buy this unit from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.